video we will see how to print a reverse string. So we have str is equals to hello Vardhan. So I am going to print this reverse. So make it in brackets and make double colon here and make it as -1. That's it. So it will print reverse string. Here you can see hello Vardhan. So here you can see hello Vardhan. So it will print it in reverse order. So if you want to print two letters, so make it in double colon and make it in -2. So you'll see. So it will eliminate two letters. So here you can see E and L is eliminated and it is printed LO. And here also you can see V is eliminated, A is printed. And here also R is eliminated, D is eliminated, H is printed. And finally N is printed here. That's it. These are order we can print the reverse string to. So in this video we will go to tuples. Tuple 1 equals to, so it is enclosed in parentheses, I already said. So I will say hello, and here I can say Python, and tuple 2 equal to, tuple 2 is equals to, first we will do concatenation. Here I can see Python and I can say automation, and I'm going to print. So I would like to assign the values. So tuple3 is equals to tuple1 plus tuple2. So I'm going to print the tuple3 statements here. So you can see concatenation is possible here. So if you will try tuple.1 dot append of, I'll make it okay, Selenium. You can clearly see. So tuple object has no attribute append. So I would like to remove. I would like to remove Python. So you can see there is no attribute. So we cannot remove the data also. Once the data is there, the data is fixed. We can do concatenation. We cannot re-add the data and we cannot remove the data. So we will try with pop. Whichever the keywords we had tried in list, we can try here. So you will get to know what will the errors. So I will like to update. I would like to do in tuple dot. Tuple2 dot insert 0 position to P. I would like to add the letter P. So you can see insert is also not possible in tuples. I would like to make tuple2 dot pop. So these are the keywords which we had tried in list. So I had tried in tuples also. We cannot re-add the data, but we can do concatenation here. Concatenation is possible, but we cannot update the data, we cannot remove the data, we cannot insert the data, and we cannot use the pop keywords also. That's it. This is about list. So each and every keyword I had shown you because you need to know what you will get. That's why I had made this 4 keywords in tuples. I had tried these 4 keywords in tuples. So D is equals to, so here I am going to take the username Vardhan and password Selenium. Yes, I am going to print the statement, print D. You can see username is Vardhan, password is Selenium. So I need to add some data. So I would like to add forgot password I need to add. So I am going to add D dot, sorry, so here we had already written here. So D of forgot pass equals to enter your old, enter your mobile number. I'd like to add this. So again I'm going to print the D statement. So here you can see I already said it is a unordered data type, so it will give the non-sequential output. So in strings, tuples, dictionaries, we get the sequential output. Here you will get the non-sequential output. That's it. So this is the key, this is the value. This is the key, this is the value. This is the key.